Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Guys, today I will show you how to copy hard disk M.2 to M.2 hard disk. You can copy all these windows. You can see here is this laptop. I will transfer all this on this laptop, and this two laptop have hard disk M.2. So guys, the simple way I show you, you can transfer your all this file without format. And for this you need to download WinG partition Minitools partition WinJar. This software you can download is 10 version. I will put the link in description. So guys, first you have to take a external hard disk. It's like this external hard disk. You have to connect to the USB or connect to put in the DVD player. Inside you can put the hard disk. Okay, I have to put in external hard disk and check this hard disk is working. You can see here it's 500 GB. This M.2 is 256 GB. So first you have to open and Minitools partition wizard free this software, and this is the Windows. This is the 10 version. So you have to go this option, copy disk. If you want to copy all disk partition, just copy disk and press this next. And first one, the Windows now send disk, I have M.2, and then second one the hard disk this, and next, and I don't want to delete this file, or I can do delete, no problem, and next and finish. You can see this second hard disk also make the partition. And now just play the apply, just play the apply, and it will make a bootable disk. You can see it's almost done, and take the restart. After take restart, it will take long time, maybe independent on your laptop have the files. So now take restart and copy all the file from this is M.2 to SSD hard. And see guys, now copying the files. Just wait and see, now copy all the partition disk to disk. Is copying the partition here. You can see this take time, maybe 30 minutes is depending on your computer, and hard disks have the too much files, it's take long time. Disk. Okay guys, after done to copy all the files and take restart and open your laptop like this way, and then just remove the hard drive. And this laptop have I can use two hard disk, one the M.2, one SSD. So I have to put the Windows hard disk here. This is WD, and this is the Kingston M.2. And now I will power on this laptop and just boot this hard disk. I will show you this laptop is already have Windows, but I will change that Windows here. Okay, so I will boot from this hard disk, power button. I press the power button and press F12 for the boot menu. I have Dell laptop, is depend on the laptop, and another key. You see here is the boot option. Okay, so I will set up the BIOS, go to the WD for the first boot. Okay, I press the WD is booting. Now the WD hard disk, you will see. And see guys, this laptop is getting ready, because that one was the another laptop. I take that Windows and install here. So from this hard disk I will install the M.2. Okay, so first I have to boot this hard disk, and then I transfer from this hard disk SSD to the M.2. So now getting ready Windows. Just wait. If your laptop take the boot, restart and open the hard Windows from the M.2, you have to restart and press F12 again and boot from SSD hard disk. See, boot menu here is coming, and I will boot from here. Just click this one, and you can see boot from. Now the Windows another one. If you do not make like this, it will be boot from M.2 hard disk. So I have to boot from this laptop, this hard disk, because I have to install Windows here. You can see now it will take restart several times, and see guys, that Windows is open. This is the Intimamon. You can see here this Windows is open now, and see guys, this Windows is open, same that Windows, same you can see, same file, same everything, but have to some work, just connect Wi-Fi and update the graphics card, because that's not same model graphics card there and here, so you have to update. After that you can see working perfect. Now how can I transfer this Windows to the M.2? Okay, this is the processing. I have already installed the software here. Okay, so I will open this and I make, first I show you that hard disk also install it the Windows. So I want this Windows because some software I have to install on this laptop. So I want to sell that laptop, I want to use this here, so I don't want to lose my files. Now I take restart, you can see the will be boot from M.2 hard disk. See, now take restart. If I do not change the boot menu, it will be boot from M.2. So that is another Windows. See, this is Golden Nanotech, that one the Intimamon. So different Windows, you can see here, it's not same. So this is the M.2, and here is the another hard disk 1 TB. Here is the 250 GBs M.2. So now I take restart and go to that hard disk and transfer this Windows here. So press restart and press the F12 for boot menu. So I boot from the another hard disk now. So you can do this way processing if your laptop is like that, supported the 2 hard disk, or otherwise you can use your CD drive, put the hard disk here, and you can use without, if you have 2 partition, so you just use here the CD drive and you can make a master hard disk, this one. Now opening, see, now opening the Intimamon Windows. Okay guys, now I have to open the software mini tools partition wizard and go to the mini tools partition wizard free. So guys, you can see the first hard disk one is 1 TB and second on that one. So I will copy disk to disk and next, and the first one is 1 TB, and then next, and go to the second one, Kingston. Next, yes, delete all the data, yes, next, and finish. You can see now make the partition, it's like that hard disk. Now I will apply, and yes, it's take a few seconds, and disk is error. Why? So guys, if you're giving any problem, just right click and manage and go to the disk management, and just you can see your hard disk is black, so make it partition just working, format it, and then open the software, the mini tools, and go to free edition and go copy disk, next, yes, and then next, finish. And so now this is working, apply. Yes, well, wow. Guys, if this option is not working, you can go to the migrate OS to SSD like this, and next, yes, next, finish, and now make the partition, and you can press apply, and it see guys, this option, just take restart, and see guys, now copying the files, just wait, and see now copy all the partition, disk to disk, is copying the partition here. You can see this take time, maybe 30 minutes, is depending on your computer, and hard disks have the too much files, it take long time. Okay guys, after complete copy all the files, my computer take restart, and you can see Windows is done. Now I will open, and you can see here is the two partition. Okay, one of the hard disks. Now I take restart and boot from the M.2 hard disk and press F12, and then you can see boot menu for the Windows is boot menu. You can see here is the UEF hard drive, so I will press UEF hard drive and take the boot menu from M.2 hard disk, and you can see now is opening. How fast is very fast, because this laptop is Core i7 16 GB RAM, and M.2 hard disk Windows 10 is working perfectly. So you can see here is the 256 GB SSD hard disk working perfectly. So now you can see guys, this PC have hard disk. So I go to the this PC manager and go to the disk management, and I will check there is the another hard disk, or I go to the device manager, and I can see here is the another hard disk, the first one, the disk number 0 is the 1 TB hard disk. So I can delete all that partition, and it will be work for external hard disk. So I delete all the partition. I will not keep Windows on that hard disk, because all time I need to change the boot menu. So I delete everything, and this partition will do not delete, because the Windows partition, that one. So I will make next for the make a new partition, the black one, and that will I use for external hard disk. So inside this laptop have two port of hard disk, one is the SSD, one for M.2, and also another hard disk I can use for the CD drive room. And now I take restart, and you can see without press any key will be open the Windows from M.2 hard disk. So you can see now automatic boot and automatic working without change anything. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day. I have another video, how can you use 3 hard disks on laptop, and you can see this 2 laptop is same program, same everything. So without delete any files, I copy my Windows.